Good morning, ladies. I hope you have a good day. Good morning, Tommy. Good morning, Evie. Charlie slept outside last night, didn't he? Let's get you some breakfast. There he is. I had a feeling he'd come. Good morning, buddy. Enjoy your breakfast, guys. Good morning, chickens. Good morning, Felicity. Good morning, Molly. Put out Dwayne's food for him. Good morning, Dwayne. Your breakfast is out there waiting on you. Good morning, Emmy and Atley. Good morning, boys. You ready to get out? You ready for your breakfast? Good morning, Daphne. Here's your bottle. All right, pretty baby, you ready to do your day? Atley, why are you eating on that mineral block? She literally has one on her side. You guys are destroying this fence. You can't do that. This is also another reason why they're destroying my fence. What is the matter with you guys? Atley. Makes me a little bit worried about what we're gonna do when we put him back through. Atley, hey, knock it off. You're gonna tear up my fence. Go find something else to do. And then this lady here's coming through my legs. You already had your bottle. Ramsey, that food is for Dwayne. Why aren't you over here eating, buddy? Good morning, Hallie. Enjoy your breakfast. Little lady, when are you gonna learn? It is not safe to be out here. Can you go back to? No, wrong way. Wrong way, wrong way, wrong way. Felicity, you're making this morning really rough. Ramsey, no. Oh, this girl. Will you let me just pick you up? Of course not. Don't stomp your foot at me. Alright, I caught her. You stay in here. There we go. You, sir, were not helpful in getting Felicity. You kept scaring her. These two sweet boys are snugging together. Dutch is sleeping under the porch. So is Ramsey. It's just been a pretty quiet, relaxing morning so far. Atley, are you eating all the baby food? Why are you being grumpy, ma'am? We tried to feed you some and you wouldn't take any. Hello, Dove. Hey, Amber. Those flies are terrible. Are you gonna let me spray ya? I know it sucks. There you go, good girl. All right, Harlow, I know you don't like it. I know. Good girl. You're gonna let me spray you, Dove? No. Don't go away. All right, Bridget, you gonna let me spray ya? Good girl. Emmy, are you getting your bath for this morning? Keeping her clean, Atley? I'm gonna spray her with some fly spray too. Is that okay? You too, Mama. All right, Daphne. Good girl. Had to chase this girl out of the barn to finish getting sprayed off, but hopefully that'll keep the flies off of her today. Is Mama close enough for you to let me pet you? I That's a good girl, Emmy. Good girl. Chin scratch. Hey, pretty girl, you ready for your bottle? Of course you are. Who wouldn't be, huh? Hey, Emmy. What are you doing? Tip your head up, goofball. It's all gone, little lady. I feel like I must not have got Emmy fly sprayed enough earlier, so we're gonna spray her off. I felt like Atley needed sprayed down too, so I got her sprayed down again. And then this little lady finally has given up her bottle. Oh, maybe not. It's all gone. This is fly spray. Have a good day. Hey, Dwayne. How's your day going, buddy? Hi, Evie. Do you like hanging out under cars instead of hanging out in the barn with your fan? Hi, Ember. Are you having a good day, sister? This fly spray just doesn't seem to be getting it, does it? I'll spray you again. I know it's no fun. Thank you for sitting still. Hello, Harlow. You've got some of your breakfast on your horn. You gonna let me get it off for you? There we go. She doesn't look too bad with flies. Bridget looks pretty good too, so I wonder if I just didn't get Ember very good earlier. How are you doing, Dove? I think she looks okay too. Have a good day. Hey, you two. Are you staying cool? I don't really like it when you hang out in the house during the day. It's cooler outside with the breeze. Doing okay? I think I'm gonna encourage him to go out for a little bit. Felicity seems to be a little bit warm. I've got him out here now, so hopefully they'll cool off a little bit, drink a little bit of cool water, and have a good rest of their day. We'll go back in the house after a while, okay, when it cools down. Lots of the chickens are dust bathing. A few of them are staying cool behind the coop. Hello, little nun. Halo. It's so cool that there's grass in here now. It was really hard to get rid of the ducks and those Americana chickens, but worth it to have some grass for these ladies to walk around in. Majority of my boys are still sleeping on or under my porch. I don't know where Charlie is, but the dogs are staying cool, and so is Tommy. Have good dreams. Daphne, are you learning to get some brushes? Is that your favorite? You're standing awful still. What a good girl. You look so pretty. Did you find a clover? Daphne's like, I'll take more. I don't have a brush, pretty baby. You don't like brushes? They feel good. You gonna go tell your mama? She likes brushes. She would tell you to do it. Atley likes her brushes. Does that feel good, sister? Mama's doing it, Emmy. Got an itch? We could have got that with the brush. You like those purple flowers, don't ya? You look like you're really loving your brush. You're a good girl. I don't think Evie wants to play, Daphne. Look at Evie. Did she leave you? Ready to get your brushes, Dove? There you go, sweet girl. Bridget, you didn't let Dove get brushed very long. Are you the boss lady now that Atley's over? That'll be you pretty soon. You coming for your turn? Change your mind now that Bridget's looking at you? Did you find a loophole? Amber. Uh-oh. Boss lady. Harlow, it's your turn now. You gonna get some brushes? What a good girl you are. You'll let Wayne spray you since you are getting brushed? Is that what I need to start doing? Good girl. I'm hurrying, Molly. There you go, lady. Wanna go inside? Go on, Felicity. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Good girl. There you go, guys. Stay nice and warm in here. It's a lot of rain. Committed farmer finishing brushing out Harlow in the pouring rain. Hurry, Hershey, run! I made it to the barn. I'll wait in here for Wayne till he's done. But here's proof that the cows could care less when it rains. It's coming down pretty good. And they're just continuing to eat like it's not a big deal. Same with Atley over there. Hallie, I'm gonna go put everyone up. So I'll go ahead and say goodnight to you first. Good night, Hallie. We'll see you in the morning. I brought you guys a treat. You should quit hiding back there. Molly, look what I have. You want a treat? There you go. Coming out too, Felicity? There you go. Yummy treats for bedtime. Don't eat hers. All right, good night, Felicity. Good night, Molly. Are you boys about ready for bed? Let me put the chickens up. Have you been playing in the pond? You're pretty wet. Charlie, I feel like that's not a safe choice. The chickens have put themselves all up, so I'm gonna count them real quick. We've got 2 here. Dot, you get back in there, sister. So I counted 31 chickens. We have 1 chicken that keeps disappearing. She'll be gone for a day or 2, and then I come out to open the coop and she's hanging out in the run. So I don't know where she's going, but she's not here tonight. Can you guys head back in, please? I accidentally broke one of those eggs, so now they're really not going in. You're causing a problem at bedtime, ma'am. This one came out of the coop just to chase her with her eggshell. Ornery girls. It's bedtime. All right, we'll see you all in the morning. Good night. All right, let's go feed you boys so then I can feed the cats. Everyone's getting excited for dinner. Sorry, Charlie, I have to do the dogs first, but they'll come eat your food. I don't know if Daphne sees me with her bottle or not. I think she does. Are you hungry, sister? Are you ready for bed? Ready for your bottle. All right, boys, come on. Sorry, Daphne's making it difficult. Let's go into your stall. Head on in, boys. Good boys. Not you, Daphne. Did we wake you up, Dwayne? Sorry. Good boys. Enjoy your dinner. Are you ready for bed? Atley, don't go in there. I knew she was gonna go in there and get Daphne's baby food. And then, of course, Daphne was where she needed to be, and now she's not. What good boys. All right, so I took Daphne's baby food away from Atley, but now Atley won't get out of that stall, and I forgot to clean her stall, so I'm gonna try and feed Daphne outside of her stall, and hopefully I'll be able to get her into her stall without her bottle. Usually she'll just follow me, even if I don't have a bottle, and I'll be able, there we go. Atley's going out, so that's good. Atley, don't do that. Daphne can have her bottle, and then we'll get you taken care of. Okay, good girl. Seriously, my luck that Emmy went ahead and went into the stall too, but I can't just go ahead and put Atley in Daphne's stall because the last time I did that, she jumped over and got these boys. Atley moved out, so I'm gonna walk Daphne in. Good girl. She's about got her bottle finished. All right, sweet girl. Yep, I think that's it. Let me take care of Atley and then I'll come tell you goodnight. Dutch staring out under the stall door. He might not have been ready for bed. I think the cats think I forgot about him. Sorry, I have to get the cows taken care of because I forgot. All right, Atley, I'm ready for you now. Come on. Probably is a little bit confusing for her that Daphne, oh, nope. Wrong way, sister. Go into the stall. Daphne is in her stall that she used to always go in. Oh, shucks, you shut the door. All right, that's empty. That's empty. You're gonna have to step back. Scoot back. Let me open the door for you. Back. She's gonna have to go all the way around the... Oh my goodness. There you go. All right, Emmy, will you go in with your mama? Do you see that kitty cat? Go in with your mama, okay? Are you going through the chute? Well, if you're going, go. All the way. All the way. Go to your mama. Go to your mama. You made it through the chute. What a big girl. Go to mama. Good girl. What a good girl you... Oh, get in there. Go in. Emmy, go in. Good girl. All right, we got Atley put up. You ready for bed? Good night, Dove. Good night, Bridget. Good night, Harlow. Good night, Ember. Come on, Charlie. All the way in. All right, kitties, it's finally your turn. Enjoy your dinner. We'll see you in the morning, guys. Good night. To thank me for watching Willow the last time my parents went to Florida, they bought me some lights to put on the tops of our new fence, and I am absolutely in love with them. Atley, are you not sharing with your baby? That's not very nice. We'll have to give her some by hand tomorrow, see if she'll take it. All right, good night, Atley. Good night, Emmy. Good night, Ramsey. Good night, Dutch. Good night, Dwayne. Good night, sweet Daphne. We hope you all had a great day, and we'll see you next week.